Alrighty YouTube, what's up? This is Kyle with Kyle TV. Today I'm just bringing you a tutorial on how to clean the Razer Black Widow Chroma. This is the tournament edition, but it would apply to really any Razer keyboard. But I already took all the keys out, I laid them out, stuff like that. I'm going to be cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol, 70%. And some Q-tips, but you know, just to give you a look at what the keys look like and stuff like that. To take the keys off, it's really simple. I used like an old credit card I had, but you're just gonna get under here and really just wedge it in there, like under it, how it's under it, like that. And then boom, it'll pop off. And then I've had this keyboard for a little while now, so it's super dirty, like as you can see. And then I just wanted to show you like the ones like this, which are they have like a little bar like that. They have a little bar. You have to lift them all the way up like that, and it'll give you some leeway. You have to go side to side and it'll pop off and stuff like that. As you can see, I've cleaned the keyboard. I used the vacuum, like the hose part. This part didn't really do much. It was like still a little bit too big. So what I did was I like had the hose hovering over the keyboard while I was like scraping out the stuff, and for the most part the vacuum was picking it up. I've already put a couple keys back on, but just cleaning the whole key, front and back, stuff like that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. So 10 Q-tips later, about an hour of time, all the keys are clean. So I would clean the side, the top, the sides, and then here as best as I can. And then I've seen like tutorials where people wash them and stuff like that. I think that's just kind of pointless, and it's just going to cause you more trouble in the long run, because you're going to be like trying to find which ones go where and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah.